Do you wish you knew exactly who visited your website in your B2B company? On today's video, we're going to go over how to connect Apollo to your website and do exactly that. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Adam. I help business owners and entrepreneurs generate more leads, close more deals, and generate more revenue utilizing automation tools and the 9 years of experience in this space. Now, I won't spend too much time on actually setting up Apollo if this is the first time that you're on the website. They have a couple of different options. Most of the time for my clients, I recommend utilizing the professional plan, specifically because you're able to utilize 10,000 credits per month, which if you're in the B2B space, that's exactly what you need. I'm not going to go over how to set it up. It's pretty self-explanatory. You select your package, you pay for it, great. So once you find yourself on Apollo's homepage, you simply scroll down to admin settings. You then go to integrations, and then on the search bar, simply type in website. From once you select website visitors, it'll then tell you, hey, these are the step-by-step instructions on how to actually connect it to your website, so then you can start tracking. When I first did this, it seemed pretty self-explanatory until you went into WordPress, and I felt like that was the biggest disconnect on whether or not where to go to in WordPress and everything along those lines. So I have a client that I'm setting this up for, and why not just kind of show you guys how to get that done, right? So option one is you then go through your Google Tag Manager. In this case, that's not what we would do. What we're going to do is we're going to go into WordPress, go into the HTML settings, put the needed code, and simply test how that works. Okay, so I already have the code provided. So let's assume that you're utilizing WordPress for this project. You would go into the WordPress, scroll all the way down to where you see appearance, and then go right under theme file editor. Give it a second to load. When you find yourself in theme file editor, on the right hand side, you'll scroll all the way down until you come to header PHP. You select that. You can go into kind of like the code itself, hit Control F, and then find the word header. Okay. Specifically, you'll copy this phrase of header, right? You then Control F, paste that in, hit search, and here is the beautiful code. So all you have to do is space, and the code is going to go right in between that little divot, right? So between 123 and 125, that is where this code that Apollo provides would be input. You simply paste that there right before that, scroll down, update files. Then you'll get the notification saying the file edit has been successful. You come back into Apollo, you refresh the page, and then once you have the code in the website, you then have to add the domain. We're going to put in the company domain. We're going to save it. It will say that it's invalid. It's only because of the HTTPS. You remove that, remove this. There we go. And then now we test it. Give it a second. All right, so once the script is put into the header area, you just want to give it a space. So between 123, we gave a space, the code, space, and then the closing header. You then update the file. It'll say that the edit has been successful now that Apollo has the proper code in there. And that's basically it. Give it a couple of minutes and you're good to go. There is other ways that you can add this code. Let me know if you had an issue with it. If you did, comment down below. I can make another video utilizing a couple of other plugging options. But ideally, that's pretty much it. You put it into the website, put the code in, and then now you can start tracking who visits the page. I hope this video brought you some value. If you did, like, subscribe, comment down below on what you think I should do next, and I'll see you on the next video.